Today we are making matcha brownie. The sweet and creamy white chocolate and the slight bitterness from matcha makes a rich and moist and delicious treat. It's super easy, just mix and bake, and perfect for Valentine's Day. And we should call it greeny because it's not really brown. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit. Now, in a large bowl, add chopped white chocolate and sliced unsalted butter. Place the bowl over the hot water bath and gently melt them together. While that's melting, crack 2 large eggs into another bowl and whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Add sugar and mix well. Then, place the bowl over the hot water bath and gently warm the mixture to body temperature while constantly whisking, just slightly warm to the touch. This little trick helps the egg mixture blend smoothly with the chocolate and butter, preventing a grainy texture. Now, take your melted chocolate and butter mixture and give it a nice stir to make sure it's smooth. Next, add the egg mixture in 3 parts, whisking gently in the same direction each time until fully combined. This is the most important step. Mix well and thoroughly to keep the texture smooth and even. Shift together the cake flour, matcha powder, and baking powder directly into the bowl. Use a spatula to fold the dry ingredients into the batter until you don't see the flour pockets. Then switch to whisk and mix until the batter becomes slightly sticky. This texture will give you the perfect dense and moist brownie we are looking for. Now fold in the white chocolate chip or white chocolate chunks for added layer of sweetness. Pour the butter into the parchment-lined cake pan and smooth the top. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the edges puffs up slightly. Once baked, let the brownies cool to room temperature. I'm using white coating chocolate for the best result, but if you don't have it, you can also use the white chocolate, gently melted at a low temperature to preserve its temper. Spread the melted chocolate evenly over the surface of the brownies and let it sit for about 10 minutes until the surface sets and doesn't stick to your fingers. Now, mix the remaining melted chocolate with half a teaspoon of matcha powder. Drizzle it over the top, and this simple presentation looks beautiful and gives an extra hint of matcha flavor. Once the coating is set, cut the brownies into 9 equal pieces. I just love the dense, moist texture of these brownies. The creamy sweetness of white chocolate and the delicate bitterness of matcha complement each other so perfectly. You can wrap them up individually and make an adorable gift for Valentine's Day, or just enjoy by yourself. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!